Enter the world of the woodpecker, a bird with a knack for making noise and turning heads. With over 200 species worldwide, these feathered carpenters are known for their distinctive pecking sound. But did you know? This pecking isn't just for show. It's a survival tool, used for communication, finding food, and even creating cozy nests. Their unique anatomy helps them to withstand the relentless hammering. The woodpecker's skull is like a safety helmet, absorbing the shock, while a specially evolved tongue wraps around the brain for additional protection. And here's a fun fact. Some woodpeckers can peck up to 20 times per second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. So next time you hear that familiar tap tap tap, remember there's more to these avian architects than meets the eye. Excited for more fascinating facts? Subscribe, follow, and share to keep the knowledge flowing. Until next time.